Looking to create personalized conversations for different customer segments? You can use targeting rules to determine which bots load for each visitor. I'm going to go through an example set of rules that you can use to target a specific customer. I'm going to target a new visitor from France on our homepage. So here we can see this bot has been translated into French, so let's just jump into targeting and start building out our rules. First, let's start by targeting a new visitor. We can target a new visitor by setting a rule to check that this is their first visit to the page. We can do that by clicking the new visitor template, which gives us the complete rule. So it gives us the rule, number of visits on all pages is 1. And then we can add our URL. So this just means that this is their first visit to any pages on your site with the continually domain. You can set the number of visits on specific pages by using our other rule, but for this we just want to check across all pages. Next, we will add to this rule by targeting someone in France. Simply click the button to add another rule, then select country. Then set the condition to be is, then select France from the country dropdown. And now this bot will appear for any visitors whose IP address is based in France. And finally, we can get the bot to appear on our home page. So again, we click the button to add a rule, then select page URL. Next, you can select the condition is, and then add your URL that you want your bot to appear on. So now, this bot will only appear for new users in France who are on our continually homepage. One other cool thing you can do is set OR option for some of your rules. So if we simply click the plus, we can add a second URL for this rule. This means that the bot would load for new visitors in France on the homepage or the pricing page, but we don't need that for this example. So now we have 3 rules set and our group is set to match all of the rules. This means that if a visitor doesn't match one of these rules, the bot will not be loaded. You can change the setting to any, and this means as soon as a visitor matches one of these rules, the bot will load. You can build out as many rules and conditions as you like, and even add groups of rules to make sure you're always targeting the right customer every time. How do we determine which bot to load? When you have multiple bots that are set to live and a customer lands on your page, we start from the top of the list on your bots page and then load the first one that the customer meets the targeting rules for. So you can move your list around either by dragging and dropping or selecting the position, so you can prioritize your bots from the top down.